Hey, what's up guys? I got the Auxito LED lights for my fog lamps. He sent these out to me to try out to match my headlights. Oops, ripped the box. Packaging was nice before I ripped it. Try to do things over here. So you got your manual here. And your Auxito bulbs. So these are the 9006 or HB4, and these are actually the 3K golden yellow, which I don't mind. So I'll be bluish headlights with yellowish fogs. So it should be a good look. So just in case you guys are curious. And these are the canvas decoders, or so you don't so the 2006 Dodge Ram has a canvas system. So if you just plug these up, you're gonna get blinking, flickering, or you might get an error message. So these help prevent it, almost like a just like a resistor. Yep, so I have these for my headlights, and Auxito does offer these if you need them for your headlights or fog lamps. So let's see how this works. All right, thanks. So I just hooked up the canvas, well, we're just gonna call these resistors. So I just hooked up the resistors here, or decoders. One end goes to the headlight, and this end goes to the truck's wire and harness, whatever was there originally. And so that's what this looks like. So let's go install them. So this is currently what the headlight and fog lamps look like. So it's just a halogen on the bottom. It looks yellowish, but I'm pretty sure not on purpose. So these will be more of a bright yellow. The headlights are amazing. They're Auxito too. Check out my last video on those. They're amazing, and I could see a lot better at night. And go to Auxito to get your headlights. You can use Spumatic, SPUMATIC, as a discount code, and you'll be able to get those also for your vehicle. The bulbs pull out easy. This a counterclockwise, and they pop right out. So that's the original. And we're just gonna, pull this tab and get it out of here. So let me work on that right now. So we got that out of there. I just lift that clip up gently and slid the bulb out. And now we just hook this piece into here and plug our bulb back into the socket here, and we should be ready to rock. So see, the bulb clicks in there nice. That's my resistor box or decoder, and the other end plugs into the truck's wire harness. So not bad. Done, less than 30 seconds. I'm gonna do the other side and check back with you. So this is what it looks like. A lot more bright than the other bulb. I'll show you. So that's really dull on the bottom, and that's really dull. And you go. And that's a lot more bright. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna work a lot better at night visibility and rain and fog situations. So I'll keep you posted on those. But I like the combination. It's like a little, reminds me of that JDM look. So there you have it. Both are in. and they look good. So hey guys, this is the Auxito LED 3000 Kelvin fog lamps. So they're yellow. So when you go to like a 3000, it'll be like yellow. No headlights on, and I could drive around like that. I could drive around like that. It's a real good spread. These fog lamps really make a big difference. Really bright. See all the way in the backyard with these suckers. Yeah, looks really good. Thumbs up to Auxito. Another great product. The link is in the description. Alright, remember to subscribe to Spoomatic Cars. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Spoomatic back at it with another video. I'm in Big Red. Gonna pick up a red tailgate because currently I have a silver tailgate. No rust on it, in good condition. Might put that up for sale. This one is just red with no rust, and this will match a lot better, and it was local in town, so it was a no-brainer. So stick with me on my little journey here. I believe I passed the base. Okay, take a picture. I also was able to pick up that tailgate. It's dirty now, but it still looks better than the silver. So at least the truck is all red now, and no dents on it. Handle's a little funny, but I have another handle I bought anyway. No rust on it. And I like that it came with this plastic cover because the whole bed was already coated. Now this has some type of protection on it. And that was my old tailgate. The previous owner slammed it towing on his trailer or something like that. So he replaced it with that, which was in good condition, had no rust. And it had the spoiler on it, which I liked. But I'll be putting that up for sale. Yeah, I would put that spoiler on, but I don't really want to drill any holes. So I'm just gonna sell it as is.